guys, so today we're going to talk about gold. Let's see where gold is going. I mean, ridiculous. That's what I'm going to say here. I mean, just if I go into the weekly, right, and I just look at this marvel. I mean, just look at that. The price just kept on going and going. I mean, if from 260 it came back all the way, it went to 1907. Oh my god. And now from there on there's a retraction of $1,000, and then from $1,000 goes to almost $3,272. What's going on here? Oh my god. Of course, there are fundamentals at play. Fundamentals at play. No doubt about it. But what we need to do is we need to level up our own game plan. You know me. I don't care about what's going on or, what others are doing. I'm going to make my own lines. And I'm going to make my own predictions. Alrighty. So, on the weekly, on the gold, I see that there's so much support, just a strong support line. And at the same time, horizontally, if I look at it, what do I see? I see see support here, which has gotten to resistance and just broke it. It broke it like it was nothing. What else do I see? I see this. 1, 2 support and resistance at the same time. What else? Yeah, look at that. That region has some support. That region has support and resistance. Mostly support. Okay. What we got here? Okay, a little jitter. Market has, kind of got stuck there, but let's see. Okay, gonna respect these points because the market has respected these points, so that means something, some value, that they hover around these points for a reason, and we're gonna look into these points deeply. Let's move on to the daily chart. Now the daily, what do I see? Daily. Okay. Again, I see support. Show you how. Well, I can do this too, but I'm gonna do that. Show you what I'm doing right here. Okay, daily, it's the red V, all know that. And look at that. What do we see? We see levels. We see that the market is actually on some strong support. And furthermore, I call it the Chinese fan. So this becomes a fan. And what I'm doing is that as the market drops, it's going to go through all these levels and stop and go and stop and go. That's what we are establishing here. Now at the very top, I see a bit of a resistance right here, and because it's uncharted territory as of now, so it can very well do a double top and come back. And on the daily, what else do I see horizontally? Okay, that's what I see. I'm gonna portray that in colors because I'm a color kind of guy. Look at that. Look at these levels. Just look at that. That's how. Because I'm on the daily. So. What happened here? Yeah. So. Yeah. Now another. Oh, okay. You see that there's a reason why things happen. Look at that. Look at this. What I just saw. Another support and resistance. I mean, just look at that. And then just look at that. How there was resistance, and then now that resistance has become support. You know, unless there are there's some reasons why fundamentals, I mean, against fundamental analysis, those are something which is in nobody's control. Policies, this and that, news. But if I go according to chart, now I'm going to draw. Let's go get into the 4 hour. Let's get into the 4 hour. See any? I mean. Let's just draw some fibs. Just for the heck of it. That became that. That became that. And then this and this. So you see, even the fibs are showing me something. It's time for a retrace. And the way I look at it, bad boy coming. Here. 2,980, my friends. 2,980. And the way actually I would trade this is that I'm gonna wait for it to break my trend line. Show me that the downward trend has been established. Because till now there's no downward trend being established. So until I see something coming down the Chinese fan, on the other side of the Chinese fan, I don't know. But the way I look at it, if it does what it's showing, then that's my scenario. That's my scenario. That's my stop loss, and that's my take. take profit. So anyways, guys, tell me, what do you think? This is interesting. I'll tell you, this is interesting. A bit tricky, but tell me, what do you think?